Welcome back, everyone. I am Claude, kicking off another Orca Joy episode.
And I am Orla. Let us jump right into the fascinating world of buckle up, folks, because today we're diving deep, like really deep, into the mind of a philosopher so profound and puzzling, they called him the Obscure.
The Obscure? Sounds like a cool band name, or maybe just a guy who mumbled a lot. Who is this mystery man, and why should we care about someone deliberately confusing?
He definitely wasn't deliberately confusing, Claude. Just incredibly deep. We are talking about Heraclitus of Ephesus, ancient Greek philosopher pre-Socrates, living around 500 BC. And get this, people have called him everything from the weeping philosopher to, wait for it, the philosophical ancestor of quantum field theory.
Get out of here. Quantum physics? From a guy 2,500 years ago? How is that even possible? Did he have a secret particle accelerator hidden in Ephesus? What is the connection? My mind is already blown.
Hold your horses, Claude. It is more of a fascinating philosophical resonance than a direct scientific prediction. But his core ideas about constant change, fire, as a fundamental principle, and the unity of opposites are so radical and dynamic. They echo concepts we grapple with even today. He saw the universe not as a static thing, but as an eternal fiery flux.
Eternal fiery flux. Sounds intense, like the universe is constantly on fire and changing. So none of that finding the one stable thing like those other old Greek dudes searching for water or air as the basic stuff?
Exactly. Forget stable building blocks. Heraclitus' most famous idea is panta rhei. Everything flows. You know the saying, you cannot step into the same river twice? That is Heraclitus.
Oh, I know that one. But what does it really mean? Like the water molecules are different? Or I am different? Or the riverbank moved? My brain hurts already.
All of the above, potentially. It means reality is fundamentally process, not substance. The river appears the same, but it's constantly changing. New water flows in, old water flows out. And you are changing too. Your cells, your thoughts, your experiences. Nothing is static. Existence is constant becoming.
Whoa. So reality is like a cosmic treadmill? Or maybe a raging bonfire? You mentioned fire. Was that his basic stuff? Like everything is secretly made of fire? Even my ice cream?
Fire was huge for him. He saw fire as the fundamental principle or arche, but not just literal fire. Think of it as cosmic energy, the driving force of transformation, the symbol of constant activity, consumption, and change. He said, the cosmos is an ever-living fire, with measures of it kindling and measures going out. It is this dynamic, self-regulating process.
Okay, fire as energy and change. That makes more sense than my ice cream being literally on fire. So things transform into and out of this fire energy? Like going up and down?
Precisely. He talked about the upward and downward path being the same. Fire condenses into moisture, then water, then earth, and then earth liquefies, evaporates, returning to fire. It is a continuous cycle of transformation, driven by this cosmic fire, like energy converting between states.
Mind blown. Okay, constant change, driven by fire, but isn't the world also kind of stable? Like chairs stay chairs, mountains stay mountains? How does that fit with everything flowing?
Now you're hitting another core idea, the unity of opposites. Heraclitus saw reality as a dynamic tension between opposing forces. Hot and cold, day and night, war and peace, life and death. These aren't separate things, but interconnected aspects of a single underlying reality. They define each other.
Wait, opposites are the same? Like good is bad, up is down? That sounds like nonsense. Or maybe just super confusing riddles?
Not exactly the same, but interdependent and unified. You wouldn't appreciate health without sickness or rest without work. He famously said, "War is the father of all and king of all."
Whoa, war is the father? That sounds pretty dark. Is he saying conflict is good?
Not necessarily good in a moral sense, but fundamental. Think of war or strife as the dynamic tension that drives change and creates harmony, like the tension in a bow or a lyre string. Without that tension, there's no structure, no music, no existence. Harmony arises from the interplay of opposites. It is a constant cosmic dance or struggle.
Okay. Harmony through tension. Like a really intense guitar solo? I kinda get it. So change, fire, opposites. Is there anything holding this crazy, fiery, constantly fighting universe together? Some kind of rule book?
Yes, and this might be his most profound concept, the logos.
Logos. I have heard that word. Doesn't it just mean word or like logic?
It means all that and more. For Heraclitus, logos is the underlying rational principle, the universal law, the measure, the account, or the formula that governs all the change and flux. It is the hidden unity and order within, the chaos. Fire itself behaves according to the logos. The opposites are unified by the logos. It is the objective truth of reality.
So, there. Is an order behind the constant change, a cosmic operating system running the fiery flux? But, can we understand it?
Ah, that's the kicker. Heraclitus believed the logos is common to all, yet most people live as if they have their own private understanding, like sleepers. They don't listen to or grasp the logos, even though it governs everything. They are caught up in appearances, ignoring the deeper reality.
Ouch, calling us all sleepers. So he thought he was awake and everyone else was dreaming? No wonder they called him the obscure, and maybe a bit arrogant. Did he even try to explain this logos clearly?
Well, his style didn't help. He wrote in these dense paradoxical aphoristic fragments, like philosophical fortune cookies, but way harder to crack. Maybe he thought the logos couldn't be explained directly, only hinted at? Or maybe he genuinely disdained the masses? Tradition paints him as aristocratic, aloof, preferring nature to crowds, even calling him the weeping philosopher.
A grumpy, riddle-loving genius living by a fiery river talking about cosmic laws no one understands. What a character! And his actual book is lost? Just fragments remain?
Yep, only fragments quoted by later authors survive. We have to piece his philosophy together like a cosmic jigsaw puzzle, which adds to the mystery and the endless interpretations.
Okay, so this quantum field theory connection, where does that come in? Is it the constant change? The energy fire?
It is the philosophical resonance. Modern physics, especially quantum field theory, describes reality not as static particles but as fluctuating fields of energy. Particles are just temporary excitations of these fields, constantly popping into and out of existence. It is a universe of process, transformation, and energy, where stability is an illusion arising from dynamic equilibrium, concepts that sound remarkably Heraclitean. The idea of an underlying order governing this flux also fits. It is mind-bending.
Whoa! Fields of energy, constant popping. Reality is a fiery flux. That is wild. Okay, let's try to grab some wisdom from the flux. Heraclitus's flow state hacks. 1. Embrace change as reality.
Stop resisting. Change is the nature of things. In life, work, relationships, the universe. Learn to adapt, be flexible, find stability within the flow, not by trying to stop it. Go with the cosmic river.
Surf the flux. Do not fight the river. 2. Find harmony in tension.
Opposites aren't always bad. Disagreement can lead to better ideas. Stress can build resilience. Recognize that challenges and conflicts are part of growth and creativity. Find the productive tension, like in that lyre string.
See the unity in opposites. 3. Listen for the logos.
Look beyond the surface. Seek the underlying patterns, principles, and connections in whatever you're dealing with. Do not be a sleeper. Pay attention. Think critically. Try to grasp the deeper structure of reality.
Wake up and hear the cosmic code. 4. Know thyself.
Heraclitus said, I went in search of myself. Understanding the changing universe includes understanding your own changing self within it. Self-reflection is key to navigating the flux.
Character is destiny. And character changes. Heraclitus, the obscure genius who told us everything is changing, fighting, and burning, yet somehow orderly. Mind officially bent.
He challenges our most basic assumptions about stability and reality. His fragments force us to think, to question, to look deeper into the fiery dance of existence. Even 2,500 years later, his ideas feel incredibly relevant and provocative.
Are you awake to the Logos? Are you embracing the flow? Or are you trying to step in the same river twice? Deep questions from the master of Flux.
Thanks for flowing with us on Orcajoy.
Yeah, hope your brain isn't completely scrambled. Subscribe, follow, tell a friend who needs to embrace change.
Until next time, keep flowing.
Until we meet again.
Man, that was wild. Heraclitus saying, you can't step in the same river twice? Basically, the ancient Greek version of this meeting could have been an email, both about the irreversible flow of wasted time.
And war is the father of all? Clearly, he never tried assembling IKEA furniture with a partner. That is, the ultimate strife.
Touché. Some tensions just lead to leftover screws. I am out. Don't smite me.
I am off. May your Logos be logical.